Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make a viewing text inside of a image. So let's quickly get started. So this is the original layer, this is the normal photo, and this is the photo that we have selected using the quick select tool. So now that we have made a copy of that background and we have selected the object, we'll just go to this masking over here and create a layer mask over here. So as you can see, we have created a mask and the black portions indicate that this part is not selected and the white portion indicates that this part is selected, and this is what we are able to view right now. But we are viewing this as well because we have this layer. If we turn this off, you can see just the subject. So this is the use of adding two layers. Now we'll quickly add text. So let's go to text and type something. So let's type sunsets, sunsets, then just move it. And yeah, before moving, press Ctrl T to increase the size, scale it up a little bit, somewhat like this, and then move it over here, over here. And now let's just change the color and make it maybe white. Let's make it white. Let's see how it looks. It looks good. Click on OK. Now just do one thing, just take this layer and drag it between both the layers. And now as you can see, the subject is over the text, as we have done this in one previous tutorial as well. Now to start viewing, just do the brushing. So using this brush tool over here, and then using the black color because black color hides the part of the image. So let's just select this layer mask and use this brush, use this black color over here. Size should be around, let's type in 50. So I'll type 5050, and hardness you have to increase because we don't want a blunt selection, we have to select it very sharply. So keep the hardness between 80 to 100, or maybe even less than 80, but then again it depends on what you want to do it. I'll keep it 100 in this case. And now let's just start brushing. So we'll brush out this part as if the hand is going from behind of the text. So we'll again change the color. We have done it wrong over here. We'll just cancel it out. So it's okay. Oh, that's quite a job. Let's do it again. We need black color. So we are able to do it like this over here. And then we have to remove this little part. We'll reduce the size around 12, and then yeah, so looks more real now. Or maybe you can just use the complete text. It's up to you. If we just use the complete text, it will look something like this, which isn't bad, but then I don't personally like it. But anyways, we'll keep it like this now, and then use this. So as you can see, the image is like weaved inside of the text. Like some parts are outside the text, some are inside, some are again outside, inside. So you can just play around with different types of text and different styles. Maybe even some more text, or using some different text in some different image, you can always just play around with this, and then just we are done over here. Now we can just change the size or maybe the color, so you can always just use this transform tool. We'll keep it like this for now, and then we can always change the color or use this dropper. So we can use this dropper to select any color from the image itself, maybe like this or this color or this color, whatever just suits the best for your image. Let's keep it white and click on OK. So this is it. We have formed our weaved text in this image. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.